Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Hermes Trismegistus is probably one of the most enigmatic and influential figures in the history of esoteric thought, a legendary sage whose wisdom has captivated seekers of ancient knowledge for millennia, offering profound insights into the nature of the universe, the divine, and the human soul, making it a truly timeless subject for exploration and contemplation. Number 5. The book, Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding Civilization. Embark on an epic journey with the book. This isn't just a book, it's your ultimate guide to rebuilding civilization from the ground up. Dive into a world of inspirational science designed for adults. It's a unique artifact filled with knowledge that will expand your horizons. Explore a comprehensive knowledge encyclopedia within its pages. It offers a deep dive into the concepts of societal reconstruction. Discover over 400 pages packed with detailed and catchy illustrations. These visuals bring complex ideas to life, making learning engaging. Whether you're a history buff or a sci-fi enthusiast, this guide provides the inspiration and information you need. Start your journey to a new beginning today. What we like. This comprehensive guide offers over 400 pages of detailed illustrations for rebuilding civilization. If you are looking for an in-depth, visually rich resource on societal reconstruction, this is your ultimate artifact. It's perfect for those who appreciate detailed knowledge and a grand vision. What people say. The text of this volume makes for an interesting read, but the real value is in this book's beautiful artwork, which is all themed and styled to the tune of a steampunk-like fantasy world. The paper quality is excellent, the illustrations are gorgeous, and the content itself is thoughtfully put together. What it offers instead is a beautifully illustrated overview of great human achievements, infused with a vintage aesthetic and a playful twist. The illustrations are outstanding. They're plentiful, artistic, and thoughtfully done, with at least one illustration per page across hundreds of pages. Even flipping through the book is enjoyable, it's visually rich and clearly produced with care. Number 4. The Emerald Tablet of Hermes. Unlock the secrets of the universe with this ancient text. It holds profound knowledge passed down through generations. Discover the principles that form the basis of alchemical traditions. This tablet is considered a cornerstone of esoteric studies. Explore the teachings attributed to the legendary Hermes Trismegistus. His wisdom has influenced philosophy and spirituality for centuries. This text is believed to contain a key to understanding the cosmos. Its messages are said to apply to all levels of existence. Experience the enduring power of its insights. The wisdom within continues to resonate with seekers of truth today. What we like. Unlock ancient wisdom and mystical insights with this foundational text. If you are drawn to the core tenets of Hermetic philosophy and seek profound understanding, this tablet is essential. It's ideal for seekers of deep, esoteric knowledge. What people say. 7 fundamental principles for a time as far back as the beginning of the days. One that can be used and applied in any culture, tribe, or religion. Great understanding of the knowing. The author's insights and interpretations are truly enlightening, and I found myself constantly inspired and motivated while reading. The writing style is engaging and easy to follow, making it a joy to delve into the teachings of the legendary Hermes Trismegistus. Small book that provides an array of different translations of the Emerald Tablet of Hermes, my fave being the Arabic version from the German of Ruska, said to be translated by Anonymous, and that was written in Syriac, the primordial language. Number 3. The Kybalion, Hermetic Philosophy Study. Discover the profound secrets of Hermetic philosophy. This study delves into the ancient wisdom of Egypt and Greece, offering timeless insights. Explore the core principles of this influential text. It provides a unique perspective on universal laws and their application. Enhance your understanding with rich illustrations and detailed annotations. These additions clarify complex concepts and historical context. Embark on a philosophical journey that bridges ancient thought with modern understanding. It's a guide to the fundamental truths of existence. Experience teachings that have resonated for centuries. This work offers a path to deeper self-awareness and spiritual growth. What we like. Dive into a detailed study of Hermetic philosophy from ancient Egypt and Greece. If you appreciate annotated and illustrated texts that offer scholarly depth, this book is for you. It's best suited for students and enthusiasts of ancient philosophical traditions. What people say. It very matter-of-factly states the laws that govern all things, how they govern those things, and in what ways can we see it hold sway over the dominion of both the physical and mental worlds. This book successfully removes the errors found in the wealth of the books on this subject that have been written. It divulges no secret but does present an initial high-level exposition of the philosophy that everyone wishing to accurately investigate the topic, whether they are a student with a teacher or on their own. This book was great and also helped me as a reminder to get out of the matrix, deepen my subconscious, combat my anxiety when dealing with the 3D. Number 2. Asclepius, the perfect discourse of Hermes Trismegistus. Embark on a journey into the profound teachings of Hermes Trismegistus. Discover the perfect discourse that has captivated minds for centuries. Explore the foundational texts of the Hermetic tradition. This work offers deep insights into the nature of the universe and our place within it. Asclepius presents a dialogue filled with timeless knowledge and spiritual guidance. Its wisdom transcends eras, offering relevance even today. Immerse yourself in this essential dialogue between Asclepius and Hermes. It's a cornerstone for understanding esoteric philosophy and ancient spirituality. Experience the perfect discourse in its full glory. This text is a vital link to the ancient world's most influential philosophical and mystical ideas. What we like. Explore the perfect discourse of Hermes Trismegistus in this significant philosophical text. If you are interested in the direct teachings and profound philosophical statements attributed to him, this is a must-read. It's highly recommended for those seeking the master's own words. What people say. Asclepius finally shows up in a modern version instead of the golden old ones. For a deeper understanding of Asclepius, read the Hermetica by Timothy Freak and Peter Gandy, or Punch in Hermes Trismegistus. As above so below, principles laid out in a solid groundwork. Fantastic version of this amazing historic text. Great book. Number 1. Hermetica, Corpus Hermeticum, Lost Wisdom of the Pharaohs, Divine Pymander. Discover the profound wisdom of the ancients. This collection unlocks lost knowledge passed down through generations. Explore the foundational texts of Hermetic philosophy. These writings offer deep insights into the nature of reality and the divine. Journey back to the time of the Pharaohs. Uncover the hidden spiritual and philosophical teachings of ancient Egypt. Delve into the mystical dialogues of the Divine Pymander. These texts reveal cosmic truths and the path to spiritual enlightenment. This compilation represents a timeless legacy of esoteric thought. It is an essential read for anyone seeking deeper understanding. Experience the complete Hermetica. These sacred texts have guided seekers for centuries, offering profound spiritual and philosophical insights. What we like. Discover the lost wisdom of the Pharaohs through the Corpus Hermeticum, including the Divine Pymander. If you seek foundational texts on esoteric knowledge and divine revelations, this collection is invaluable. It is perfect for those who want to explore the roots of Western esotericism. What people say. Great pocket-size book that is great for making notes to oneself. The translation's kind of weird, but you still get the gist of what they are saying. Not an easy read due to the dense subject matter, but worth it. I recommend you buy a newer translation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.